In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove PayPal from Shopify Express checkout setup and product page. If you want to simplify your checkout, direct customers to other gateways, or temporarily stop taking PayPal, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to turn it off so it no longer appears in the Express checkout area or as a dynamic button on your product pages. Start by signing in to your Shopify admin at shopify.com. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the bottom left corner and open Settings. This is where Shopify keeps all your store-wide configurations. From there, select Payments. The Payments page lists your active and available payment methods, including any accelerated checkout options your store currently shows to shoppers. Locate the PayPal section. Many new stores have PayPal Express enabled by default, so you'll typically see it listed here. Click on PayPal to open its details. Inside that panel, choose Deactivate. Shopify will ask you to confirm that you want to turn it off. Click Deactivate again to finalize. After a moment, you'll be taken back to the Payments page, and PayPal will show as deactivated. That's the core action done, and here's what it changes on the storefront. The PayPal Express button will disappear from your checkout, the cart, and the dynamic Buy Now area on product pages. If you have other accelerated methods enabled, such as Shop Pay, Apple Pay, or Google Pay, those can continue to appear based on your settings and the customer's device. If you've kept dynamic checkout buttons on in your theme, you may still see a generic button, but it won't offer PayPal once it's deactivated. A few tips if you don't see the change right away. Refresh your storefront, try an incognito or private browser window, or clear your cache. It can take a couple of minutes for everything to update, and some themes or apps cache assets briefly. Also, double-check that you have at least one other payment method active so customers can complete purchases without interruption. If you ever want to bring PayPal back, simply return to the payment settings and follow the prompts to activate it again. Turning it off doesn't affect past orders. It only removes the option for future checkouts. To recap, you signed into Shopify, opened Settings, went to Payments, clicked PayPal, deactivated it, and confirmed. That's all you need to remove PayPal from your Express checkout and product pages. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part if you want to see those steps again.